Hi there, my name's Trevor Wilkins. I've been an engineer, an influencer and a businessman all of my life. And all of that time I was always amazed by the contradiction between the smart, well-trained and enthusiastic engineers that I've always worked with and their ability to communicate with and influence other people. For the last 7 years, I've actually trained those very same engineers to have effective conversations that ended in the right solution to a problem, a desire to buy that solution, and a cost-effective way of delivering it. I'm here today to talk to you about the University of Ottawa School of Engineering, Sales and Influence, which is where we deliver those skills to our graduates and undergraduates. And we don't just do it in one blob, we do it through the whole of their time here at the faculty, starting from the day they walk through the door, the projects they're involved with and the teams that they're connected with, through to graduation, the master's degree courses, right the way through to PhDs. If you mention the S word, sales or selling, to most scientists or engineers, they'll run a mile. But you know, that's really not necessary. They're just lacking the skills, the insights and the actions that will make them effective at that. Today, engineers do not need to be locked up in the back room. They need to get out there and talk to customers, to partners and to fellow developers, and to do it effectively. You know, some of the best salespeople I've known have been quiet, thoughtful, analytical engineers who can sell the pants off the loud, aggressive, egocentric salespeople who are such a cliche. In the first and second years, they absorbed the school's Level 1 syllabus, which is totally integrated with the engineering basics that they're learning. All of the examples and exercises are based on real life. In the third and fourth year, the emphasis is more commercial, and the spotlight moves towards what they're going to be doing when they leave. They learn to build what people want, what they need, and what they can afford, not things that are just theoretically good. Most importantly of all, they learn to sell themselves, their skills, their expertise, and how those would benefit the people who might employ them. The school also boosts the commercial effectiveness of students after they've left, adding resources to the engineering management program and the engineering entrepreneurship program. Best of all, even after they've gone into full employment, all students have access to the resources that they'll have used during their training. And in fact, alumni all have a standing invite to join in the conferences and speakers that happen here at the school. The Engineering Sales School is a unique contribution to the 21st century. It allows the word sales to sit comfortably within the vernacular of even the most technical research and development person. It also assists any of the engineers who go out on sales calls and makes them more effective commercially and technically. For those people who want to start their own business, the entrepreneurial spirit is great, but it needs solid tools underneath, and the sales school delivers those. For all the students who are just going out to regular jobs, the skills of the sales school will allow them to get a better job more quickly and more easily. Most of all, the school helps every single student to become a productive, well-balanced, happy member of a modern, progressive society.